Everyone, welcome back. NARS had a sale. It was 50% off. So I indulged. Did I need to? I got my own makeup room here. I didn't, but I did anyway. One of their liquid blushes in Torrid. It looks like the... I got... This is Osaka from the Light Reflecting Quad eyeshadow. It looks like these are colors I can get behind. So I'm going to try that. This is a light reflecting blush in Sex Appeal. I have the regular one of this. So I think what it means by light reflecting, let me swatch it. It's very light. That's going to be more of a highlighter for me. You can't really see it. It's a very light pink, peachy pink. I caught Exhibit A. This is the old packaging, but I didn't have it, and everyone talks about how pretty this blush is. I don't care if it's old formula or new formula. I'm not bothered by that. So I picked it up. I've got a color corrector in light. It's like a peach. I wanted to try it. It was cheap. It's like $7 or something. Ridiculous. This must have been from their Christmas collection. It's an eyeshadow. I've dug my finger in it, unfortunately. It's an eyeshadow called Gold Rush. It looks like that. I've got a powder. I don't need powders. I have a drawer full of them. And it's called Translucent Crystal. It's part of the light reflecting setting powder. Pressed. It looks like that. That's it for my NARS haul. Well, it's gonna be haul videos all this week. I just wasn't up to putting makeup on. I procrastinated the whole weekend. I was out of work sick Friday. I had a really bad day. The night before. So, that's what it is, haul videos. So sorry. But I'll put makeup on. We have a lot of makeup to play with.